Today, I want to tell you what you and your family could have here in St. Petersburg, Florida for under $530,000. If you're looking for 3 beds, 2 baths, here's the home. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Today we're going to tour a home here in St. Petersburg, 3 beds, 2 baths, fully renovated, remodeled, and let's get right to it. I like the curb appeal initially. It's like it gives you the sense of like an old Florida home. So on the outside, nice 1-story bungalow. On the inside, let me show you. Wonderful open floor plan. You can see wonderfully like a pointed, great space. You have the large kitchen, living room, den combination. Good views to the outside. Really well presented, really well staged. Let's go walk through this nice area. You can just imagine Thanksgiving, Christmas, Memorial Day, July 4th. Space for tons of people. It's amazing. A nice den where you can enjoy yourselves right off from the backyard, which we'll get to in a moment, and the primary suite. Great room for a king, nice walk-in closet. Great ceiling fan. Large bathroom. Nice stand-up shower. Really nice. We'll get to that room in a second. That's where the laundry is. Nice walk-in closet. We'll give the owner some privacy. Let's check out the backyard. Nice, large room for a patio. Definitely a pool. I can see a pool, fire pit, patio put in here, especially at this price point. Nice enclosed area as well. Nice and quiet neighborhood. Let's get in before the storm sets. Lovely flooring all throughout this home. Let's check out that room I had mentioned earlier. This is where they've located the laundry and nice storage areas. You can put some shelves in here, and then the way to the patio that I just showed you from the backyard. Let's go through this wide island. Here's the HVAC, the second bathroom. Really nice. Bedroom number 2. They've got a queens here. Definitely room for a king. Deep walk-in closet. Towel closet, I believe. And the third bedroom, slightly smaller, could be used as a guest bedroom, but it has a nice sized closet. And you can just see how they just designed the space. It's just really nice and inviting. You'd obviously have a TV other than a painting here. This home is on the market, 3 beds, 2 baths, listed with Senya Korneva of Real Broker, colleague of mine, and it's on the market for $525,000. Now, if this home speaks to you or others in the area of St. Pete, and you're looking for, just a nice, quiet, tree-lined street, or you want to be close to the water, I'm your guy. Christian Nabush, Real Broker, 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. It's on all my social media. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.